This the natural beauty. Alaska is referred to as the last frontier. And I truly believe that there's immense amounts of space. Believe that the state of Alaska is only about 600,000 people. Compare that to Michigan, where I'm at. There's over 600,000 people just in the city of Detroit. So just a lot of room. The natural beauty, the fishing, the hunting, and just the natural beauty of Alaska itself. You're going to see things you see here that you haven't seen in any other part of the United States. Similar, but not exactly the same. A lot came available and I purchased it. So that was, I guess, probably about 11 years ago. And in the last 2 years, another lot came available from the original owner and the lodge. I bought the property long before Alaska Last Frontier was using this property as part of their outlay for their series. Yes. So one of the things was I was at home watching this show and seeing where they had a journey to Perl, and for the first time I'd seen my properties on TV. If you can imagine that, you're very familiar with it because you've studied it for so long that, oh, they're here, they're here, they're here. So that was interesting. So to make it out here and see it for the first time, me physically see it for the first time, is an unusual feeling because it's a goal that I wanted to do for a while, but transportation's not easy out here.
Alright, you ready for Perl Island? Showing off to Perl.
The boat ride was very interesting out of Homer in the fact that your timing of when you're going to arrive at your destination has to do with the tides. So we left at 5 a.m. in the morning to make it out here in the 7:30 range where it was at high tide.
How you feeling?
Good, great, fantastic. Hard to believe. Long time coming. What a beautiful view.
Everything you expected?
Actually, it's better because I can see it now third time in 3D versus looking at a map and pictures.
We're gonna have to get you guys as close as possible right here, but I mean we're here at Perl Island right now. Nice gravel beach here, and yeah, beautiful day to be on this beach.
So we landed at about 7 o'clock, unloaded, and sat on the beach just for a second in amazement, just looking at the beauty. I heard an unusual noise, and I'm kind of like, what is that? I could not figure out. I figured another boat was landing, and the waves were crashing against the side of the boat. Walked farther down on the beach and it was a whale and it was continuing to spout. So I'm like, oh my gosh. Obviously I took some pictures. I kind of just stood there in awe, and it's feeding in the bay right now, and it was just an amazing sight just to be here. What a pleasant surprise in the first hour and a half. Perl Island for me, the attraction was there's no bears, no wolves. I believe it's about a 2,000 acre island. There's 150 acres of it that's owned privately, and I ended up buying, as I mentioned before earlier, a number of years ago, just because of the bears. I didn't want to have to fight the bears. I'm traveling with two other people here, and we're just kind of looking at each other like, we're finally here. Are we here? We're here. I can't believe we're here. So the feeling is just very interesting as you've done all this planning for me, it's been years, and then to be here, we are very lucky with the weather and being able to look at it, and just a beautiful, beautiful days, and we hope the next two are the same way, because much like the show, it can get very nasty weather out here.
Hi, mate. Where are we right now?
We're in my bar. Welcome to my bar. Yeah, I got just about everything for you. I got this. Doesn't have a label on it, but you know, there's other things down here. If you're interested, my trash.
Tell
can,
me all about your place.
My trash can is quite full, so if you need anything.
Oh, the place is marvelous. I've loved
Oh.
what you've done with it.
Thank you.
Her drinks are a little strong, though, you know what I mean?
He's so drunk. He's drinking out of a cantina.
He's drinking out of a lamp.
Aren't I at the cantina?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Would you like some more?
Don't tell me I've had too much. You're gonna cut me off. 'Cause
Oh, no.
I'm fine.
Would you like it in a wine glass?
Maybe some water, 'cause I gotta swim home. You know, I'm okay to swim, aren't I? Huh?
Sorry, sir. All I have
Oh,
for water is fire security systems.
I went.
From the 80s. From the 80s. This is a vintage year.
I bet her double or nothing, and I won this brand new 2-channel 8-track player.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Oh, I'm taking her to the cleaners, all right.
And as a
Oh,
celebratory gift, I'm giving. What?
Oh,
I'm giving you those.
I think she just lost a bunch of money. It better not been my favorite, huh? How about Johnny Mathis? This is his latest. Moody Blues. Roy Pretty Woman Orbison. And Take Me Home by the Chicago Transit Authority.
Are you hungry?
Oh.
I got a fork down here. Would you like some vodka? Apparently I drank a lot of vodka back in the day. That's all I seem to own right now.
Can you keep it down a little? My head's starting to ring.
You're a star of my bar. Here you go, mate.
Just look at that. I'm a superstar. #1.